The future is unfolding right now. 2025 is shaping up to be a year of groundbreaking innovations, tech that will change the way we live, work, and even think. But which advancements are the real game changers? Stay tuned, because I'm counting down the top 5 best technologies of 2025. And trust me, you don't want to miss #1. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech updates. Number 5. Quantum computing goes mainstream. For years, quantum computing has been a distant dream, but in 2025, it's finally becoming a reality. Tech giants like Google, IBM, and startups like PsiQuantum are pushing the boundaries of unimaginable processing power. Imagine solving problems in seconds that would take traditional computers millions of years. Medicine, cybersecurity, AI, you name it, quantum computing is about to change everything. Number 4. AI that thinks like us. We've seen AI do some incredible things, writing, creating art, even diagnosing diseases. But in 2025, AI is becoming more human-like than ever. Thanks to artificial general intelligence, machines are no longer just following instructions, they're thinking, learning, and adapting just like us. Will AI become our greatest ally or our biggest threat? Only time will tell. Number 3. The era of flying cars has begun. Yes, you heard that right. Flying cars are finally here. In 2025, companies like Tesla, Joby Aviation, and Hyundai are rolling out the first wave of air taxis. No more traffic jams. Just tap your app, call a flying vehicle, and soar above the city. But here's the real question. Will you trust AI to fly you to work? Number 2. Brain-computer interfaces. Imagine controlling your phone just by thinking about it. That's not sci-fi anymore, it's happening now. Elon Musk's Neuralink and other biotech companies are perfecting brain-computer interfaces that allow people to interact with technology using their thoughts. From curing paralysis to boosting human intelligence, BCIs could redefine what it means to be human. But are we ready for a mind-controlled future? And finally, number 1, the rise of self-healing materials. Imagine dropping your phone and watching it heal itself. In 2025, scientists have developed self-repairing materials that can fix cracks, holes, and even regenerate. From unbreakable screens to self-healing cars and even wearable tech that repairs itself, this could change everything. No more expensive repairs, our devices will fix themselves. There you have it, the top 5 best technologies of 2025. The future is happening right now, and it's more exciting than ever. Which of these blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. See you in the